Hey, welcome back to Lava Tools. I was trying to find a M18 charger and ended up finding a deal at Home Depot, the 2850 21P. So it's an M18 impact drill, a set of drill bits, and the charger. So all these pieces all together was less than $130. So between the battery charger and the impact drill, you're probably looking at $60 a piece, and then they're throwing in the drill bits. Not a bad bag. There's the charger. It's an M12 and M18 combined. You get a 2 amp battery, which you can't complain about a free battery. Red lithium with a sensor on the front. And then you've got the impact driver, but this is not the fuel version. It's brushless, but it's not the fuel version. Now, you can also get the non-brushless version for $99. So if you don't want to spend $130, you can get the same package just about for $99, also on Home Depot.
Bits.
It has a nice set of drill bits.
Okay.
Thank you for stopping at Lava Tools. Give us a thumbs up and a like on notification number and